So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Stand by. This video is how to make $1,700 per week driving for Uber. That is a good chunk of change, I'll tell you what. $1,700 a week.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's almost $2K a week, so.
And it looks like they took a day off that week.
Yeah, they barely even drove on Wednesday. Maybe it was like Tuesday night at like midnight or something. Yeah. But yeah, let's take a look at this. This is in our Uber driver Facebook group, so link below if you want to join this. We got over 20K members.
So 48 hours online.
And comment below, have you ever made this amount of money, and what's the most money you've ever made?
I make that in a day.
What do you sell, an online course?
Yeah.
How to get rich quick?
How to be the best Uber driver.
How much do you charge for your course?
It's only $2,500 a month.
$2,500 a month? Okay, anyways. So this was last month.
Yeah, they did 106 trips, 48 hours online. So what is that divided by 7?
106 divided by 7?
No, 40.
15 rides a day.
Oh.
Or 6.8 hours a day. So 6.8 hours a day, and he did 15 trips a day. So yeah, it's about right. Because you average like 2 to 3 trips an hour.
How much did he get in tips?
$169.
Oh wow, that's pretty good. Oh, and then 277 promotions.
Yeah. So that was probably the quest bonus for the week.
Mhm. That's pretty good.
So yeah, he only made. So what is that per hour? $17.68.
See, 48 hours online for a week is not that bad. I mean, it's full time, but there's some people out here that are doing 84 hours online in a week, and they're making like not that much more than
that. So he made almost $37 an hour, guys.
That's crazy.
I wouldn't be surprised if the guy did Uber Black though, or Uber XL, or Uber Comfort.
Yeah. Or
Uber Select, one of the higher paying tiers. That's what people used to make in 3 days everywhere else. That's absolute garbage. Uber probably charged people at least $3,000. You're slacking, LOL. Dang, this guy Ronnie SPE must make like $5K a week if he thinks he's slacking.
Yeah, everyone named Ronnie must just be a...
Looks like you had a barbecue on Wednesday. How does he know what he did on his day off?
So random.
Maybe it was just slow that day. But yeah, guys, if you want to make $1,700 a week, that's basically what you got to do. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.